Imagine waking up to an unexpected flood in your home. Are you prepared for a water damage emergency? Life's unpredictable nature can bring about sudden mishaps like these. It's crucial to be ready. When water damage strikes, time is of the essence. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied customers. Like Jane, a homeowner from Brisbane, who said, "When my basement flooded, Disaster Recovery Queensland was there within the hour. Their team was professional, efficient, and they had my home dry and back to normal in no time." Or consider the experience of Mike, a small business owner, who shared, "When a pipe burst in my office, Disaster Recovery Queensland responded immediately. They minimized the damage and had us back in business faster than I ever imagined." And then there's the local community centre director, Sarah, who told us, "After a major storm caused extensive water damage, Disaster Recovery Queensland was a lifeline. They handled everything, allowing us to focus on serving our community." From everyday homeowners to bustling businesses and vital community centres, our services have made a world of difference in their toughest moments. These are just a few of the thousands of satisfied customers we've helped in their time of need. With over a decade of experience, Disaster Recovery Queensland is Brisbane's most trusted water and flood damage restoration provider. Our certified technicians and extensive resources can handle everything from small leaks to large-scale flooding. When disaster strikes, you can count on us. Don't wait until it's too late. If you're facing a water damage emergency, remember that Disaster Recovery Queensland is ready to help around the clock. Our dedicated team is available 24/7, with an average on-site arrival time of just 1 hour. We're equipped to handle everything from small leaks to large-scale floods, ensuring your peace of mind in crisis situations. Call us anytime at 1-300-309-361. Disaster Recovery Queensland, your trusted partner in water damage emergencies.